Changing these prices up a bit from 75 cents and 50 cents. We're bringing them all up to about 150. This is a row vending machine. And it's very simple. You go into the motherboard, hit this mode button. Mode right here. Just hit that one time. Then you run over here. Okay, so it's in the system okay mode. So hit mode one more time. Then you'll hit 3 for setting prices. All right. Now you want to go ahead and click the ones you want to do. So I'm gonna change 26. It's 150. I actually like that. Hit 0 to save. Then I'm gonna change 36. Oh shit. No. So 3. You want to hit 3 before each product. So 3. Now I'm gonna hit 36. It's at 115. 1 is to go up in price. 2 is to go down in price. So I'm gonna get it up to 150. 0 to save. Hit 3 again. Set price. Now let's do 46. 46 is 115. So again, hit 1 to get it all the way up to 150. 0 to save. Then you hit 3. Set price. I'm gonna do the same thing all the way through. 56. Want that up to 150. 0 to save. 66. Well, first hit 3. Then 66. Want that up to 150. Hit 3. 76. I want it up to 150. 0 to save. Hit 3. And 86. All these are now 150. 0 to save. My second row here, row 14 and on. Let's see, hit 3. I got those listed at 75 cents. I think that's all right. Let me check the Twinkie. 0 to save. 44 is 115. Twinkies are sweet, so they're going up to 150. 0 to save. Let's check the peanuts. 75 cents. Everything's got to be $1 or up for me. It's not making money and it's not making sense. 84 is 75 cents. We're getting that to $1. Changing the prices from 60 cents. So the majority of them gonna be 150. It's pretty simple. It's just a basic sticker. Take the sticker off. Pop it over the old price. Ships to 750. Let's see what their road is. We got option 23. Before you leave, you want to just make sure everything you click matches the price. So 62 says 150. 62 says 150. We just had a dilemma here. My 27 and 47 were listing as 145. So I just switched them. Now they're back at 150. So everything's looking good. It's a great day to be a boss, y'all. Take care. Look out for the next video.